Over 60% of automatic transmission failures come down to one thing: fluid mistakes drivers never knew they were making. And the crazy part? Each of these errors can silently destroy your gearbox, leading to repair bills of $3,000, $5,000, or even more. Yet mechanics rarely warn you. Why? Because these mistakes keep their shops busy and their wallets full. Today I'm exposing the 9 deadly transmission fluid mistakes that can kill your car faster than anything else. Miss even one of these, and you could be signing your transmission's death certificate. Stick with me until the end, because the last mistake is one even seasoned drivers fall for, and it's the one that most often leads to early transmission death. Now let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Ignoring the transmission fluid change interval. Here's the ugly truth. Transmission fluid doesn't last forever. It's constantly breaking down from heat, friction, and contamination. Yet many drivers blindly believe the lifetime fluid myth printed in some owner's manuals. Transmission experts and veteran mechanics agree. Fluid should be checked regularly and changed every 30,000 to 60,000 miles depending on the vehicle. Why? Because old, burnt fluid loses its lubricating properties, turning your transmission into a metal-on-metal grinder. Ignore this, and the clutch packs, valve body, and torque converter all wear prematurely. That $100 service you skipped, it turns into a $4,000 rebuild. Mistake number 2, using the wrong transmission fluid. Transmission fluid isn't one size fits all. Using the wrong type, even if it's just a little off, can destroy your transmission in months. Manufacturers design fluid with specific additives, detergents, and friction modifiers tailored for each gearbox. For example, Dexron 6, Mercon 50, ATF Plus 4, CVT fluid, and DCT fluid are all unique formulas. Mixing them or substituting a generic ATF can throw off clutch engagement, overheat the transmission, and cause irreversible damage. Mechanics know this rule. Always use OEM-approved fluid. Saving $20 on a cheaper bottle could cost you $5,000 later. Mistake number 3, overfilling or underfilling transmission fluid. Here's something most drivers don't realize. Your transmission is extremely sensitive to fluid level. Too little fluid, and you starve the pump and clutches. Too much fluid, and you create foaming, aeration, and overheating. Both mistakes kill lubrication and cause slipping, harsh shifts, or even total failure. That's why pro mechanics always check fluid level with the engine running, at operating temperature, and on a level surface. Not cold, not tilted, and never by guessing. Get this wrong, and your transmission lifespan shrinks dramatically. Mistake number 4, never checking the fluid condition. It's not just about the level. The condition of the fluid tells you your transmission's health. Mechanics often check the fluid on the dipstick and instantly know if trouble is brewing. Healthy fluid equals bright red or pink, slightly sweet smell. Bad fluid equals dark brown, burnt smell, or full of particles. If you ignore warning signs like burnt fluid, you let damage spread quietly until it's too late. By the time the fluid looks black, your transmission is already screaming for mercy. Checking monthly takes 30 seconds. Ignoring it could take thousands from your wallet. Mistake number 5, doing a harsh flush on a neglected transmission. Here's a controversial one, and mechanics argue about it all the time. If your car has never had a fluid change and you suddenly do a high-pressure flush at 120,000 miles, you can actually make things worse. Why? Because years of debris and clutch material are holding the system together. A flush blasts all that loose, sending gunk straight into valves and solenoids. The result? Slipping gears or complete failure immediately after the service. That's why veteran mechanics prefer gentle drain and fill services on high-mileage cars instead of aggressive flushes. It's safer and keeps your transmission alive longer. Mistake number 6, ignoring leaks and small drips. A single drip of transmission fluid might not look like a big deal on your driveway, but here's the catch. Transmissions don't have much fluid to begin with. Losing even a quart can drop pressure enough to burn clutches in minutes. Leaking seals, cracked hoses, or loose pan bolts are like silent killers. Ignore them, and one morning you'll shift into drive, only to find your transmission slipping, grinding, or refusing to move. Mechanics love when drivers ignore leaks. Why? Because that $50 gasket job turns into a $4,000 rebuild in no time. Smart owners check the ground where they park and address leaks immediately. Mistake number 7, neglecting the transmission cooler. Here's something most drivers never think about. Your transmission depends on a cooler, usually built into the radiator, to keep fluid at the right temperature. When it clogs or fails, fluid overheats, breaks down, and turns into sludge. Transmission experts say heat is the #1 killer of automatics. For every 20° Fahrenheit increase above normal operating temperature, fluid life is cut in half. That means if your transmission normally lasts 150,000 miles, overheating can kill it before 75,000. Upgrading to an external cooler is a favorite trick of mechanics who tow or race. It's cheap insurance that adds years to your transmission's life. Mistake number 8, mixing old and new fluid. Here's a sneaky mistake: topping off old, burnt fluid with new fluid. Drivers think they're helping, but all they're doing is diluting fresh additives with a toxic soup of worn-out chemicals. The transmission won't magically heal itself with a top off. In fact, the old contaminants can break down the fresh fluid faster, leaving you worse off than before. When it's time to service, do it right. Either a proper drain and fill, or a full exchange with OEM-approved fluid. Anything else is like mixing fresh milk with spoiled milk. You don't get fresh milk, you just get a mess. Mistake number 9, driving hard before the fluid warms up. This one shocks most drivers. Transmission fluid needs to warm up before it can flow properly. In cold weather, it thickens like syrup. If you slam it into gear, floor the gas, or tow heavy loads before it's warmed, you're forcing the pump and clutches to work dry. According to veteran mechanics, as much as 70% of transmission wear happens during the first 10 minutes of driving. That's why smart drivers let the car idle for a minute in cold climates, shift gently, and avoid aggressive driving until the fluid reaches operating temperature. It's a tiny habit that can add years, even decades, to your gearbox. Closing and curiosity loop. So there you have it, the 9 transmission fluid mistakes that quietly kill cars faster than anything else. Ignore them, and you're gambling with a repair bill that could wipe out your savings. But here's the big question: have you ever made one of these mistakes yourself? Maybe you skipped a fluid change, used the wrong type, or drove hard on a freezing morning. Drop your experience in the comments. Your story might save another driver thousands of dollars. And don't click away yet, because while fluid mistakes are the fastest way to kill a transmission, they're not the only danger. In my next video, I'll reveal the 10 deadly driving habits that destroy transmissions long before their time. Trust me, you'll want to see that one before your gearbox pays the price.